Roger Alan, happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come. The Lord will guide you in your dreams and endeavor. Okay? Ingat palagi.
Pwede na po.
Hello, Roger Alan Dale, when you were in high school. I do not remember if I were your advisor during that time. Advisor nga ba ako when you were in the first year high school? I still remember some of your classmates. Peanut was one of them. Our class is somehow a very serious class. But then, whenever I see you on Facebook, I vividly remember the times that you were in my class. So, I hope that you still remember Tidel and some of your classmates here at Tidel also. I would like to wish you a very happy birthday and hope to see you sometime soon. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Roger Dale. All the best. More power and blessings to come. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Roger.
Roger, welcome to the club. Happy birthday. Good health and may God shower you with more blessings. Kita tayo.
Hello, Roger. My classmate, my kaibigan. It's been a while. I think 10 years since last time nakita. By the way, happy birthday. May you have many more to come. Golden boy ka na. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Hi Roger. I just wanted to take this moment to say happy birthday to you on this very special milestone in your life. Though we haven't seen each other since way back 1990, since our graduation day from high school. The seldom highs and hellos and how are yous in Messenger somewhat gets us connected along with all our other classmates. So I just want to wish you and your family continued blessing and always take care. Happy birthday! Enjoy!
Hi, Roger! It's Jeffra. I heard you're turning 50. Wag mabahala. According to the latest survey, 50 is the new 25. So, if I were you, I'll just savor the moment, enjoy the big day with your family. Okay? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Roger. I wish you all the best, all the success. Stay healthy. Play golf more. Cheers, buddy.
Hi, Roger. Happy birthday. Grabe, parang kailan lang gumigimik tayo sa bedrock dyan. Ngayon, dito na tayo, the golden years. Happy birthday. God bless you and your family always. And sana one time magkita-kita naman tayo. Regards to everyone. Happy birthday again, Roger.
Happy 50th birthday, Roger. You're not getting older, but remember, you're getting wiser.
Hi, Roger. Happy 50th. Golden boy ka na, pre. More years to come. See you soon. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Hi, paring Roger. Dexter here. Dexter, no? High school tayo. Pero ngayon, Terry Honor. Pare, happy birthday sa'yo. I wish you all the best. Good health, of course. And more success in life and happy family. And I'm sure lagi ka namang happy dahil sa iyong pamilya. Especially to your wife. Yeah, si Mare. Si Mare kasi, minessage niya ako. Natulungan ko siya na kontakin yung mga batchmates natin, classmates mo nung high school, to send video greeting sa'yo. At pati ating mga teachers natin ng high school. So, eto, ang gusto lang namin ay maging masaya ka ngayong 50th birthday mo. Kasi nga, ito na ang ating kalahati ng ating buhay. And sana po mas masagana pa at mas masaya at mas punong-puno ng pagmamahal ang mamutawi sa inyong pamilya. Happy 50th birthday, Roger, pare. Love you. And thank you. And God bless you always. I love you.
Happy birthday, Roger. You've been my friend for 30 years, more than 30 years. You're one of my dearest friends, and even if hindi tayo nakikita all the time, I know that that friendship and that closeness will always remain. I hope to see you. We hope to see you in June when we go to California with Maan. But meantime, I'm wishing you all the best as you turn 50. It's not so bad. I've been 50 for 4 months. 4 months, no? No? 3 months only. And I somehow forgot na mas matanda pala ako sa'yo just for a few more months. But anyway, happy birthday. Life is just beginning. Can't believe na umabot tayo at this age, but it's all in the mind. And I wish you all the best. I know Kay Francis, love you so much. This greeting is coming from me and Maan, and we wish you all the best. And I hope to see you soon. We're in Japan, by the way. Bye.
Hi, Alan. Happy birthday. May you have many more birthdays to come and good health. God bless you and your family. Enjoy your special day from Tito and Tita.
Happy birthday, Alan.
Happy birthday! Stay happy and safe. Love you!
Kuya Alan, happy birthday! Hi, Luis! Happy birthday! Kamusta ka dyan? Hi, Kuya Alan! Happy birthday! I hope you have a healthy more birthdays to come and happy golden years. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Roger. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh, happy birthday, Kuya Roger.
Happy birthday, Kuya Roger.
Happy birthday, Kuya Roger.
Happy 50th. Enjoy.
Bye.
Hi kuya, happy birthday. Golden na. Pero okay lang, importante naman masaya at tumatanda na may pinagkakatandaan. Yun nga, ika nga aging gracefully. Tapos ikaw pa naman yung Luis Manzano ng Wawa. Asaws, gustong-gusto niya. Anyway, Luis Manzano or Vic Soto, parehong gwapo Kaya, doon level ka nila, diba? Tsaka kuya, naalala ko, bukod sa babatiin kita ng birthday mo ngayon, magpapasalamat na rin ako sa iyo. Kasi, marami kang ginawang magagandang bagay. Lalo na dun sa mga kapatid ko. Yun talaga hindi ko makakalimutan. Yung lagi mo siyang binubuhat, pag nagsisimba tayo, dun sa Wawa, sa chapel, pag nahirapan siya maglakad, binubuhat mo, especially si Mark. Kaya nga favorite ka din nun Tapos, pagkatapos, after ng simba, masarap ang ulam nyo. Tapos, di nyo na kami papauwi ni tita. Tapos, doon tayo kakain sa papag after ng simba. Yung pag ang ulam nyo ay apritada, nilaga, mga ganun ba? Nakakatuwa isipin, no? Kasi lagi kaming walang ulam nun Tsaka may isa pa akong ginawa, kuya. Lagi kang meron chocolate na miniature na Hershey. Sarap na sarap ako doon. Until now naman. Kaya, pag nakikita ko yun doon sa rep mo, umuumit ako. Di mo yun alam, no? Pero kumukuha ako. Mga siguro, paminsan lang naman, hindi naman palagi. Siyempre, di nahalata. Yun. Ano ba sasabihin ko sa'yo? Nasa yun ang lahat. Masayang pamilya, magandang asawa, ay ate. Tapos, matalinong anak at mabait na mami. O ano pa? Di lahat na nasa'yo. Basta happy birthday na lang ulit. Ngayon, kuya, hindi na payamanan eh. Pasayahan na lang ng buhay. Kasi life is short. Kaya gawin na lang nating masaya. Yun nga, sana makita ulit kita, kayo ng family mo. Ang tagal na din, di ba? Kaya, Kuya Alan, happy birthday ulit. Sana lagi kang mag-iingat dyan at ingatan ang iyong kalusugan. Okay? Bye-bye! God bless sa inyo at na-miss ko na kayo and I love you. Bye-bye ulit!
Uncle Raj, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Roger!
You're 50 now? You don't look a day over 50. Eat lots of good Eat lots of good food, and we hope you have a good day. Enjoy your special day to the fullest, and may all your dreams and wishes come true.
Wishing you all the best, stay healthy, and stay happy always. And stay cool, by the way. Somebody want to greet you also. Cargo, say happy birthday to Uncle Rog. Dia, you're up on screen now. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! God bless you!
Enjoy!
We miss
Bye!
you!
Happy birthday din, sabi ni Daniel! Bye!
You are my love and my life. You are my inspiration. Just you and me, simple and free. Baby, you're everything I've ever dreamed of. Yeah, yeah. Give me your own special smile. Promise you'll never leave me.
video. Anyway, hi Tata. Happy 50th birthday. I'm not with you and Mommy because you're in Vegas without me while I'm at school. That's okay. I wanted to say happy birthday and thank you for always taking care of me and laughing with me and always watching out for me. And I know that you always want the best for me, and I hope that I am making you proud and I'm making you happy with what I'm doing, because a lot of what I'm doing is for you. I hope you enjoyed your 50th birthday, and I will see you soon when you come back to San Diego. Yeah, happy birthday, Tata. I love you. I'll see you soon. Okay. Bye-bye. Love you. Mwah.